So one of the features of Wing Designer is a ability to log in to a web portal. So you have a user management and also project management per user. So if you want to use that feature, we're going to go ahead and work on that here, install the web server locally. If you open the documentation file, you will find everything explained. So we're going to do it together. Here, I create a new folder and I'm going to open new command shells. So on that command shell, I'm just going to copy paste this command and the project is going to be downloaded. You can see all the files are here. Next thing to do is to rename the example environment file to .env. There you go. And now we're gonna have to install the dependencies. So first, make sure you have Node.js installed. If you don't, go to nodejs.com and download the right executable for your OS. Same thing with Composer. Go to getcomposer.org/download and make sure you follow the instructions to have Composer up and running on your machine. Next thing we can do here inside the folder where all the files are located, you can type Composer install. And that's going to take a few minutes to complete. Okay, all dependencies have been installed. Now we can keep going with the command lines. So we're going to generate a security key. We're also going to install the database. Then we will link the storage folder to the public folder. And before we launch the web server, we're also going to create an admin user. So there's a line here you can copy paste as well. And of course you play the email and password, or keep it like so for the local environment only. Okay, so everything is completed. Now we can launch the web server. So we need to have two shells running at the same time. First, we need to run the front-end server using npm run dev. We need to install the dependencies first with npm install. And while it's doing that, I'm going to start another shell. Put right here. So I can run again npm run dev. And on the second one, I'm going to run PHP artisan serve. This is the backend server. And now you should be up and running. I'm launching the web page. So this is completely hosted on your local machine. Let's try to sign in. So the email is the one you indicated earlier. There you go, we can check manually. You can see that now we are logged in and there is no project yet. So we can just copy the URL to your web server and we're gonna try in Unity to see if everything works. Copy paste that URL inside the API configuration in the Web Designer settings. And now we can try to start play mode. So again, the email is the one we have indicated earlier, admin@example.com. Password should be the same password. We successfully logged in on our new user account. I'm going to create a simple room. And I'm also going to make sure that room is centered. So I'm going to click on center building. Okay, now I can add a furniture. I'm going to add the one we created in the previous videos. There you go. I can also change, for example, the floor. There you go. So let's say we have a project here that we want to save online. So we can now go into the save menu and we call the project 1 save. Project has been saved successfully. So normally we have it here. If I refresh the page, we can see that project inside the user's saved project. We only have a JSON file that reference all the points, all the materials, and which furniture has been used. We don't have a 3D model, so that's going to be in the next video. But so far, everything is working. And if I log out and log back in inside Unity, I will be able to load again this project. So in the next video, we're going to see how to actually save a GLB 3D model files along the JSON file.